Wealth creation also had problems. These soldiers started doing their own things, and the people were complaining, Begabera Boka. They are only serving themselves. So we said, okay, get out, let the people get the money and buy their own inputs. That's how we started with the PDM. PDM is moving well in some areas. In other areas, there are some, like in Kapchorwa, I think I may have to arrest many people, because there, I was there yesterday, and then I said, I asked, there was this huge crowd there. I said, did you get the 1 million per person? Many of them said no. They got less. I said, why? They said that, number one, the banks had deducted some money for transferring the money. How much did they deduct? They talked this, they said maximum was 30,000, which they deducted. Then I said, okay, that one will not happen again. In future, Kasaija will be the one to pay the bank charges, not the... We shall not deduct from the 1 million. The recipient must get 1 million. But apart from the deductions by the banks, did you get all the money? They said, no. Some people were cutting off the money. Some people got 500,000. So I said, okay, those who didn't get 970,000 lying here. Mm-hmm. They lined the whole. I had my policewoman. I said, "Now you write." So we are opening a general police file. Yesterday, my people wrote the name and the telephone. The name and the telephone. It's easy really to fight this corruption, because now we have the communication.